Just put in the work, you see me? Love how you watch it and subscribe and share it now, man. And show the world say that's what I deal with. Positive, you see, by the end of the day, knock it, Richard Brown Film. Heidi, son of a different Messiah.
If you never know, now you know. We not only do movies, we do any form of photo and videography service at Richard Brown Films. And if you have family members that can't attend your event, we will live stream it for you. So if you're in need of a professional video or photographer, reach out to us, man. Our number is on the screen and you'll have a chance to meet some of your favorite actor and actresses at your event. So reach out to us, man, Richard Brown Films, and we can provide professional photo and videography service for you.
Daddy.
Oh, happy with that?
Mm-hmm.
I'm glad. Thank you, my daughter. Ja. So where you get the cook? I feel me coconut this man. Where you get coconut?
I want man me see a pass and me beg him chop down two and back for me.
Oh, okay. Boy, nah, tell no lie, man. Thank you very much, you know. You see, say, boy, I'm hot, man. The day hot for me. You know. Very helpful. And you know, say, but I think, say, boy, because I want one boy picnic. I boy picnic that day, I help me all about the place. But anyway, I don't miss nothing still. Thank you. I don't mind have you as a daughter, because you're very helpful. Maybe boy wasn't helpful, so. Thank you very much, my daughter. Here?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man, very thoughtful of you. So, by the way, how the preparation for CXC go? What are you going with?
It a go on good in daddy, but kind of challenging, I know, especially with the maths part.
Challenging.
Kind of challenging, man. But
You're not supposed to breeze. Yeah, man, supposed to breeze through that, man. So everything all right with it, and so school all right, everything all right?
Yeah.
Okay, make sure you know.
I'm just glad to you come back. Okay. You know your mental too?
No, I hear you, man.
Me I say I'm happy to see you come back and me get bored and me really miss you. The place just never feel the same no more. Bro, what the problem? You're not glad for there?
Yeah, man, but I don't feel good style. My face stress out like shouldn't have the money in my pocket, you see me? I'm not really glad for know something coming in our house and not even can help you buy food and them something there.
Yeah, but
I want to go to work or drink all one juice and them something. Not even, I want a work star.
yeah, but me not make it me understand your frustration, but then I let me make it be a bother.
I want to work. I forgot get a work.
So what about the application? They want me to help you with?
The man ask only for referral and school left. What school what? And one bag of me say, me
School
not have them
leaving
something there. Me not
certificate.
have them something there. Because you see me a big man now. You know, me get them something there from. One word per reference and referral and
Alright, but
last job place. You know,
you work, then what would do that apply for hotel work? You would I take up one gardener work?
yeah.
Cause me know somebody always want people to go work for you.
You wanna set up that link there for me then, man?
Alright, then I have your number, I can give him a call and then see what we got from this. Just don't stress yourself. Everything good in and
Just
like me
make
a
the call. You
complain.
can't make the call to the come. Really want the work for you, man.
Me a go call him. Master.
Yo! Oh! Stay there, sir. Stay there, sir. Yeah, come. Yeah, come. Oh, Lord. What going man? Sides for sore eyes. How you doing, man?
I'm okay, alright.
Looking lovely as usual, eh? Anyway, what can I do for you?
You know, say something me that come check your boy though.
Oh, go on.
You still want somebody to help you up on the farm?
Yeah, but boy, a peer problem me have with people that come work, you know, because them boy don't want to work, you know, especially young boy, you know.
I understand. Well, my brother just come from Kingston and him a seek vacancy. But him, I want humble youth and him willing for work.
Young or older, brother?
No, him older man.
Older than you?
Yes.
Oh, because the young boy there, them one I left for the other day, pass, I drive past in a car, I wave to me about how, look how me buying a no time and all them fart there. I mean, I want a little young boy come here come work, and then just mash up my business.
I
So a
understand.
big man they say have?
Yeah,
He can work?
But yeah, he can do anything.
Well, yeah, what I'm still, you know, me not take no eye line up, because you see what happen now, you know, they might breed up, and me can't get no help, and then hard to deal with. You see, you know what me do as already, you know, them kind of goat, and them expensive, someone smart, responsible, big enough, we can't say, boy, yeah, they can't help me. Me I look help, you know, me I look help, but,
My brother are the right person, man. Me I tell you say, in can work, in can work. Me did already give him a number, but me did stop by your house, you never did it. So me did decide to me come up here contact him.
I'm glad they
But
come still, but, you know, nice to see you. Anyway, make him come check me.
alright, he
All
might
right?
give you a call, because me did already give him the number.
Yeah. Well, me need help, man, but trust me. When they say and him good,
Yeah.
no teeth, nothing, make sure.
No, Mr. Vassal.
All right, no, when you say boy, Ray, but when they come a different thing, come just tired of problem with them people there still. So,
Alright,
when you say that, you have to take your word for it.
alright,
All right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Take care, yeah?
Yeah.
All right.
Blessed afternoon, my general.
Oh, are you Benson?
Yeah, my sister, talk to you already, no?
Yeah, man.
You want me come for the work, let me see.
Oh, you look, okay. Well, I mean, I want one of the claw feety looking boy then, but you look responsible still.
Nah, man, I can't deal with it, man. I work on farm already, you know.
You work for a farm already?
Yeah, man.
Which part?
I work on farm already. I work a color look better than them place there.
Oh, okay. So you ever deal with poultry yet? Livestock?
Yeah, I
Them
raise
something
more
there?
and fowl them and them thing, them, man. I never
Oh.
go goat yet still, but I know if I deal with it, man.
Me have all banana, but I'm not ready yet still and so forth now. Whole heap of things I have to do, but are the livestock more you deal with first, because I really want to help with the goat them. You understand what I mean?
But
So,
don't deal like man.
anyway, so she tell me say you're good and whatever, so you know, kind of take her word for it still, you see me, because you know your sister still, so.
Yeah, man, see me carry my working towards them.
Yeah, you're well prepared, man. I feel time I know still, but I think it'll probably that start tomorrow still, because more than half a day gone already.
Tomorrow,
Yeah, man.
I know me don't want to start. Tomorrow.
Why you're eager still? I hope I saw you're eager for your work still, because trust me, any hard work can catch you, because that's so normal boat
man,
money.
eager for your work. Coming to like beg people and money and them things. You see me?
Yeah, man, I understand.
Do it, man.
I understand, man.
So you say ready for my work or tomorrow?
Just come in tomorrow, because I tell you, say, a day more than half I gone already, so, you know. So, but don't worry yourself, man, I your work. And if you're there with me, you're there for long. Just stick by guides and whatever, rules and whatever, so you're good. Yeah, man, so what the I name again?
Hector, my name still.
Hector.
Yeah, man.
Oh, all right. Anyway, Roxy! Roxy! This, Hector.
You can call me Jutta still.
Oh, that better easier for you to remember.
Yeah, man.
Juta, my daughter, this.
Yeah, man.
Zane?
So,
So anyway, if you see him on the farming, good. You understand what I mean? And if you come here tomorrow and see me, you can, you know, she will show you around and so forth. But me have a little appointment tomorrow, so maybe might not there. So tomorrow, I think, you know, just make sure I say, boy, you show him around and show him and thing and so forth. So you go do.
yeah, man.
Me see you come prepare, see, but as you say, yes, we done. So,
Free.
alright?
So I'm on in there.
Yeah, man, you're your sister for me too.
All right, blessed. Yeah? And thanks.
The cool water in the fridge.
So girl, what happened?
There.
How me not see you for a when?
Busy, I help my father do something, so me not really dep on the road.
Anyways, I don't really that me come to tell about still. So, I know what I say. My father hire one new man to work and inform for him. And I tell her say, like him man, sitting.
How old am I, be?
Me don't really know his age, but a big man.
Girl. Big man. You can't look somebody your age.
Girl, man, little boy, lunch money done past Sunday as they get it, As they get it done. What little boy lunch money going to do to me? No, little boy.
Just be careful, you hear me I tell you? Just be careful.
Girl, me very careful. But me I tell her, say, me like him or something.
Mm-hmm.
So, me when the plan say, me gon' put it in 2 words and see if he can do with me, you know?
Girl.
Our girl.
You mad? You not feel if I go to that big man there and say, Ray, he might go run your way?
No, girl.
You don't feel like a man that could be your father?
Girl, you're just a number. And the man they can't resist me. You mad?
Okay.
Girl, nothing happen.
So you say, you're not sure? But just be
So,
careful, me I beg you.
me say no. Yes, me a your friend and before you know you pick up for me
Me
or
ju- me
something.
just- I
You
am-
tell me about
Me care for you now. That's
before
why I
you
tell
say
you to
your
be
girl
careful.
go on and something. Yeah, wait they tell me say.
Me not gonna be that kind of careless friend there. Where I gonna say, yeah man, go and go there with the big man, go and go there with the big man. No, me I gonna tell you what go on. Anything can happen, just be careful, that's all me I say.
Girl, nothing happen.
Alright.
And I like say it a go. You know the upfront. We go keep it on a low profile. And I like say everybody gonna know. So you not get no lock up nor none of that. As long as I know everything for how you figure, everything we good, girl. What happen?
Alright.
Good evening.
Walk, man.
No, you know, so me never follow daddy come down here. Not even one day.
Where you are doing that now?
You know, say I pass me and pass door. And me say me I come check to see if you're alright.
Okay.
You know, so me have a bicycle door. Me that wonder say if I could have fix it for me.
Bicycle come see in a yard there.
Yeah, me wonder say if I can fix it for me.
Well, man, I have to wait till when we done work, I say I can look on it.
Make sure you stay calm upon it for me, you know.
Call look on it for you, man.
What you say your name again?
Just I'm in here, man.
Juta.
When you get a chance, come look for it. Look on the bicycle for you. Yeah?
Alright, nice to talk to you, here.
Yeah, man. Very.
Juta, so how you not come look for a bicycle for me?
I call your father and him saying I have no bicycle up there. Joke thing in the pan.
Me just didn't want to see if I can fix bicycle for you.
Can't fix bicycle, man. But yo, you can't take me a fire up for them look fool next day. Yeah?
So, yeah, how much?
Look, girl, where you want to know me age for?
So you can't tell me your age, me I go and know your age or something.
I soon reach 60.
You too lie, you don't look like 60.
Yeah, man. I'm 60 enough, man.
You lie, you see?
Where the pan? Where the pan? Girl.
Me dey pa me 2 foot then I see.
I'm the pan the work.
Actually, me did want to know if you want to be my boyfriend.
Alright. Let me tell you the straight truth. Look, girl, I could be a father, yeah? At my age, I look at you now, you're just a little girl. It can't go match. All that feel.
Nothing no wrong with age, try to be my
Put yourself
boyfriend.
in my shoes. All
You
that feel.
can't well in your shoes.
No, if it was a big man like me and me was a little girl like you, what would I do?
Would I be a boyfriend?
It not got up me, you know. Not got up. May I tell you the truth? No, me have big girl, me have big girl. I just money me need to take care of her. No, you coming like you never can come in that place. Me not date little girl. Honestly to God. Me not date little girl.
Me ask you one question. When I like woman,
Yeah, me like woman, but me not like pitney. Me not like have look pitney.
you know like
Matter
you
of fact,
like woman.
matter of fact. Where your name again? Go on over here, yard. You hear me say?
You can't run me from my
Your
father
father give me
place.
work. I appreciate the work. Me not come here for this. I'm not gonna violate your father. Matter of fact, it's not going to happen. It's not gonna happen, friend.
Yuta, you see that pregnant one there, so?
Yeah.
The one over there, man. Why you carry one I nurse it for me? I like him what we go have, kid.
What,
Eh?
Mr. Vassal? I tell you the truth still now. Respect you for your local job when you're doing still in the car.
Not that, man. More on the help, man.
No,
Why
man,
am I glad for your help?
my sister that talk, man, and I tell her, I say, I too want eat out of food when I house and I not put back no food. You know them ready?
Why, man, overstay your welcome. You understand, man? But, you can't really get nobody for it's hard to tend to them, man. So, I'm kind of glad for your help. And I say you have a little experience tonight. And so,
Yeah,
I'm
man, I just get
respect
a
that.
one day some molasses.
Okay. But you see the other pen I have up there, so? It hinge off at the front and drop off, so I ask you for just fix
The
it
what?
up. 'Cause-
Inches?
Yeah, man, at the front, at the entrance, at the main entrance.
Buy inches them, man.
Oh. Alright, now I want you to fix them up still, because if all the whole heap of them they get a problem in the man, you know how much in the cost?
Don't worry yourself, man. I have everything under control right
Yeah,
now.
man, that this way, the bread and butter this way, man. So you make sure you say that they one up there, so make sure that's secure.
I go up them. I lead in the rest, I go up them in here, so and then I go up there.
Okay. Alright, man. Boy, I appreciate you. I appreciate it, I'm not telling a lie.
For real, man.
A lot of help. Whole heap of pressure for me, and you wouldn't even believe.
For real, I mean, say one and watch the other then. So,
Come on. Just stick to what I tell you and you're good. That's all. Alright, my boss.
Yeah, man.
Juta.
Well,
No, you know I said the one last night, my dream see you. So we got a river and we did a swim. I'm dream say I'm my boyfriend.
look, girl. You're not gonna make me lose the look work your father give me here.
You not lose no work. Me know say what you it's the way that talk about what you just make we put in a pass. But you not underage, you know? Not underage.
Last time I tell you, Here, me not do pitney. Me not touch pitney. Me a respectable man. Here, I'm more to keep the local work. When me I do with your
But if
father,
I be
to
my
make a local
boyfriend, I'm
money.
going to still keep it work if I be my
Me just
boyfriend.
can't beat. Try.
Me I make you
It
get
just,
double pay.
it nah go happen. It just nah go happen. And I finally thought that me I give you. Sorry.
Jota,
Where I say I go on now, bossy?
you know, say I go tell me to tell you for work, man, but you see, root of them banana and thing, everything drop down and in there look a certain way still. So, today, I ask you if you just clean up the whole around them tomatoes. Then,
At least that man.
oh, yeah,
Deal
man,
with it.
because around there, so look how we still. Them have to just go mulch up and, take away the debris that's on them sit down,
No,
carry them
no
over
that
there, so
man.
go burn them, man,
No, no that man. I'm for burn them.
Burn them over there, so man. Just carry them over there. So, you see, our next key for this, so just
Yeah
carry
man.
them over there and burn them. See, sir?
Don't deal that man.
Yeah, man.
Cool.
So, you must shade now shed them. You have two, so just, right?
Alright.
Yeah, man. We get one next one for you, a new one. So just go deal with it.
Alright, boss. Me say
All
hello.
right. Yeah, man.
Cool.
Agwan. Say ignore suffer. Agwan. You good?
Little boy, why you not leave me alone? Why you not leave me alone? Eh?
Archer, how is that?
Why you not leave me alone? What, least what? Why you not leave me alone? Every time you see me, they bother me. And what happened? Me not tell you something don't like little boy.
Yeah, chat boy, look boy. When I said age.
Me I see me age of worse. But phone no little boy school lunch money done for Sunday evening, as you get it done. What that going to do to me?
Say this way.
Bang
Big
way.
money I want, man. A big money I go get.
Bro, Jota.
You. Wagwan.
No.
Yeah, man. You me.
You good?
Yeah, me I clean out them. You know, say sweet pepper. And the okra them.
We just did a stop by to check if you're good. Catch you really go up at the river. So let me stop and see if you're alright.
Yeah, man. Good. Me like how I check up on me, man. But thank you for your work, For you get the work here for me, car. You know what me that do,
And then no
And when I'm hungry,
problem.
take care of road now. Them man now make me hungry,
Me know say Mas Basla I go to man a long time. If me never certain what would do, you know.
You alright though,
Yeah
different.
man, I'm good man. Me just eat or something.
Okay, I said, but man, I finish up though, man, I do still.
Alright, later. Me I cook so when I come down.
Alright, no
Alright,
problem.
later.
Yeah, man.
Juta, a girl when me see her and her turn up better. Are you woman?
You know, say from where I never address you properly. But look here now. Let me tell you this. Look, girl, stop following me up. Done with them, stop me now. Me respect my grey hair, them, And I look up in there and come make my future mash up. You hear me tell you? And me love freedom, me love road. You hear that? Me no deal with look up in there. How much time I make me tell you that? Cool, yeah, man, cool. And don't come back to me with them look stupid this day again. This man, you know, to me, I go lose a work here,
Roxy, what I'm to you? How you look so? What I'm to you?
Daddy, the man will have the work if you ain't touch me.
Which man?
A man, he Rasta man.
The Rasta man, I just hire what here? Wait, I mean by touch you. Touch your how? Me not. Hold on. Wait there. What do you mean him touch you? Touch your what? How? You serious? What do you mean push it? Me not understand. What do you mean explain to me what happened?
Daddy, I when me did a walk past down with goat pen there, he see me and he grab me and pull me in a bush.
Do what? No man, you serious?
Yes, Daddy.
How would you? No, sir. Hold on, there, man. You know what? No, man, this serious. Jesus Christ. Can't believe something like this happened to you. And that the man they will make me. No, man, you what now? Go put on some clothes. Straight station we are going now. Go put on some clothes. Jesus Christ. I kill that, you know. Benz, where brother?
We mean brother.
Where brother there?
Even a day here.
I catch him in the car. Chop me, go chop him up, you know. What?
Chop him up for what?
What kind of brother you send come give me for work? Eh?
What him do?
The man grape my daughter.
Calm down. What you mean by
What do you mean calm down? What we can calm down in a situation like this?
That don't sound like my brother. For one. And two, you can't come in me yard and ball out them things there. There's some serious allegation against my brother.
You got me glad they say it's serious, you know. Come I tell you, anyone buck him there now like you know. Remember me tell you. You understand? My daughter say him grape her, you know. My daughter. Me know my daughter. And you know my daughter that I got tell no lie. She not no reason for tell no lie. And why this happen now? Why?
Well, him not there right now. First, the whole of we are big people, right? If you come to talk to me, you come to talk to me. You don't need to make my neighbors them hear where you have to settle.
You come like you don't know this serious is this situation.
Me understand.
And me want grow my daughter, you know. My daughter not lie to me. Anything she come and tell me as a father. And she come and she tell me this, so she have no reason for lie.
Exactly, and my brother practically grew me, so me know my brother too. And this does sound like my brother.
Look here,
None
man.
at all.
Anyway. Why I tell you, you know, man. Listen to me, man. You hear me? As me say, you know, make sure say you see him before me, you know, and warn him. Because remember me tell you say it now go pretty, you know. Oh.
So, what you say about this thing, Mr. Vassal? What were you saying now?
Man, grape my daughter.
How long do you know this person?
About almost a month now the man I work with me, you know.
So, what is this person? Correct name.
What?
And
Some
does he have any alias name?
Jutar.
No, you have to make certain of the name.
Hector Smith. Juta then call. Juta. Hector Smith time name.
Hector Smith.
Yeah.
And his nickname is Juta, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Where this person came from?
Kingston in come from. I'm sister. See me a beg me a work for give him. And when me look on the man, me sorry for him and give him a work. And this how the man repay me. Hey, you better make sure so you catch him first, you know, because I tell you the truth now.
So you don't know
about it now, pretty.
You don't know which exact part in Kingston he's from?
I don't know. I mean, know where his sister live. I mean, assume she had this where he live.
How old is your daughter?
15.
Oh my God.
15-year-old. She not reach no legal stage and nowhere. Yo. My mama tell you, man. I'm me alone grow her, you know. I'm me alone grow her. I'm a promise. Yo.
All right. Listen,
Sure.
Mr. Vassal. This that you come to the station to report, it is very serious. So you have to make sure of what you're saying, that it is a fact. You understand?
See my daughter in front of you there. See my daughter in front of you.
I can see that she's not
Chum,
giving so.
yo.
I'm ready to ask you the question. Okay, and your daughter is 15, right?
Yes.
And, you said this person working for you about a month ago?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. Mr. Vassal, I understand how you're feeling. And I am very sorry. I am so sorry of what happened. Me as a woman, I am going to definitely take it up in hand and make sure him get arrested.
That's why I'm glad when I come in and I say
Him
a
have to
woman
go down.
because you will understand because you're a woman too.
Him have to go down.
So you have to understand that, yo.
Mr. Vassal, just listen to me for a minute. I am going to ensure that you get justice out of this.
Sure.
As I said before, me personally, as a woman, going to make him get arrested.
You wouldn't even know
You have to go down. I
Promise.
see this thing. I've been seeing it over and over 1,000 times. This thing happened. And some people do not get any justice, but I am going to take it up in my hand personally.
I promise you, I make to our mother say me not gonna make nobody harm her.
I understand
Me
how you
make a
feel. I am
promise.
so sorry.
Jesus.
I feel so disappointed. I understand how you feel as a woman and a mother. And she's a girl child, I understand. Your daughter at the age of 15, I know what you're going through, Mr. Vassal, but don't worry about it. I will deal with it for you.
Make sure.
Definitely.
Make
I am
sure.
going to deal with it.
Make sure.
Yes, I will.
Where you look for?
Your phone not work.
Yeah.
You don't see me call you.
How?
Where you did it? Where you did it?
I come from down here bank go do some transaction.
Yeah, come.
How?
Why your boss come down here and drop some serious allegation against you? Say you're touching Pitney.
Say me what?
You deaf?
Say it again.
Sit down. Sit down.
Yo.
Listen, this I don't know nothing normal, you know. Did you touch that little girl? Me feel so upset
Hold on, hold
even
on.
ask you
Hold
that.
on. Hold on. Say feel say me that touch her.
Me no know what
Me, a pretty word that you know. No, look into things. Me will grow you. Me, you know me stay already. You feel say me that touch she. I look up
brother.
in like that.
Yeah, my
Me will
brother.
take care of so much people in the
Just
street.
listen to me, listen to me. I don't know what to think. Of course, me trust you. I mean, know where you will.
Me say sure, I want show am for like her off. I'm in a deal with them something.
Why you never yet say that to me? Why you
So
never
when I
yet?
say that to you for
Why
how that to that look? For me I tell you say one look a girl like me off. You know see me I go down a station. Down a station
we
man.
are going to the station, go see.
Me can't make them tarnish my name.
Me want you think and don't do nothing stupid. You understand what I'm saying?
What you mean?
Me with you for gas station, you know. But do not do nothing stupid. The man come up here and say, man, chop you up, you know. So you going down a station, make sure you say no what you do.
No, me have to go down a station. You think say me can make them beat me up?
Nobody not beat you up.
No, so what is then? Yo, you're alright, you know.
Young miss, can you hold up your head for me, please? We need to ask you some question. I want you to be brutally honest, okay? Do you remember the time and place that this incident took place?
Yes, miss.
So proceed with that information.
In the evening, me did a pass down at my father's farm. Me did a pass the goat pen. And he just grabbed me in the bush, like goat pen.
Um, what exactly happened after he grabbed you? Like, what happened?
He grabbed me, and he grabbed me. He fling me down on the ground. And he did a force to take off my clothes. And me did a try to push him away. But I couldn't manage him. And he take off my clothes, then he grabbed me.
Okay, he didn't tie you up or anything, right?
No.
Did he put his hand over your mouth or anything? He put his hand over your mouth? Are you sexually active?
No.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm gonna send you by the front desk where the nurse will give you a cup and you're gonna peel that cup and bring it back to me. We're gonna let you do a pregnancy test, okay?
Okay.
So you can go to the front desk and get the cup.
Okay.
Thank you.
Good day, detective.
Good day. How can I help you?
Alright. My name is Hector Smith. Them call me Jutta still, you see me? I come to clear up my name, you know. Come here, say my name I call upon some look graping thing. You know, depend on that, you see?
Okay, you're the person that I'm looking for.
Yeah, man.
So what you have to say now about this situation?
I just come to clear up my name, I not do it. I not do it.
And how can I prove that? You did not do it, as you said.
For me get the work with Mr. Fossil, the girl not stop follow me up. And I tell me about she want to be my girlfriend and them something there. I'm a big man. I'm not depend on him something. They are me run away. You see me? Me run away now.
So you're telling me that that young little girl forcing on herself on you, and
Of course.
you ran her away. Okay. So tell me something now, Mr. Smith. What reason that nice little girl have to tell such a lie on you?
Look, girl. Worst fan, she see me and my sister. Yo, me tell you this. A man look girl that look. A wicked, she wicked. Here. Cause I don't like say me touch her or nothing. Me just tell her little girl, say, for go on. Cause me respect my grey hair. You get me? Anything you want to believe, you know.
Mr. Smith, you take this thing for joke, right? When fox can't get the grape, them say sour. And me, this police that you see sitting here right now looking at you, no like grapes. You understand me?
Mr. Fasting don't know where him raise, here. Him raise the devil. And that him don't know. You think say me can grow up and pick me and she go tell lie upon nobody them way there.
Mr. Smith, me no want hear nothing way I say. Me I go lock you up now. Just take off your shoes, take out the lace, and if you have any belt in your waist, take it off. Take off the chain.
So I believe the little girl over me. Me as a
I
big
go
man.
lock you up right now. Me no want hear nothing from you. You think you can fool me? You think you can fool me?
So no woman police go on, man. And a corruption that you not deal with now. But is it true me know say me not do it? I have to come out. Yeah, I have to come out.
She's a child and she's not telling any lie. Go on round there, so. And make sure you see you take out everything out of your pocket. All grey piece.
Where you get yourself now? But how this reach right here, so? You come a station till you come clear your name and
Yeah, that me think say me I just come down here and talk to them and tell them how it go. And me never expect all of this. Cause I like say me do nothing.
this is why I'm confused, because if them never have something for you, how them lock you up?
So you
What them
believe
a
them?
charge you for?
Believe.
Me don't know if the little girl how much.
I not even know shot how much. Alright, me tell you the truth. And me not trouble the little girl, yeah? And every time she come to me, and my fault, me should just tell her father at the same time. Every time she come for me fix the bicycle, she come for me this, she come for that. And I like say, me dip on the work. Me not trouble it, me not
So
trouble.
what if you never want to tell the father, why you never come to me? You can talk to me, not just
So
talk.
me I talk to her about far and I like say me touch the little girl.
But if you say something you would in another situation, you know, nobody will vote for you now, you know? Nobody else. Just tell me and tell them, I don't know if you believe. I don't know what to believe, because why they lock you up if they don't have something for you?
Them not have nothing upon me, you know.
So what is going on?
Them
Me
not
need if you
have
talk to me. Me not
nothing upon me.
understand.
Them not have nothing upon me. You hear me tell her? Say anything what them want to them do.
And then what me supposed to do?
If I go get a liar or something then. Me not do it. You believe?
I don't know what to believe. Why you never come to me and tell me? Why you never
Tell us
say
what?
something?
Tell us
Just
what?
tell me, say the little girl I come on to you. I could have your back now, you know. Me just not understand why you never come to me. It a look away now. It a go look away now for she got a station and say you try molest her. And at them time they come out come say she come on to you. It a look like you just try defend yourself.
I'm sure
Yeah, you
come to you
understand
and tell
that?
us what.
Just say it to me as a sister. You not feel look sympathy or pity. You could have just say it to me.
Never want to make a bad vibe. Never want to make a complaint for nobody. Don't really think it will go through good or anything. I'm innocent until proven guilty. And the other way around. You know what I mean?
Me not know if you tell me the truth. Me not know if you lie to me. Me
Tell
have
the
to work off of what you say.
Truth.
Yeah, tell me the truth.
So if you tell her else,
It's fine. Me I try to get one lawyer because at the end of the day you're my brother and I know you. But I just for the fact that you never said no at all to nobody. And that I raised doubt in my mind.
and so I tell you, I never want to make a bad vibe. I never want. Me should go to our father. Our father, me should go to and tell him. Because by the time she come on and tell me about 6 bicycle and she not have no bicycle, she have pray up that from early. I want wicked look girl, you know.
Just want me go try get one lawyer and make you know how you go after. Them say the visiting hour is less than 30 minutes, so my time basically up now. So we will come back when we can. You understand?
The results are back, and she wasn't assaulted based on the information that you're seeing there. It's all a lie. And I was so convinced because before I go ahead with the test, I asked her some questions. And based on her answer, anyone could believe that she was raped. So I really don't understand when I say you went on the scene. What did you see?
All right. Doc, is you the gynecologist or you have another doctor who do this? Because I'm sure say this not correct.
I
That
do
man
not
if he rat me in a prison. Him a great piece.
Miss Russell?
He need to stop walk around and great people pitney.
Miss Russell, this is not the first we are doing a test like this. We always go ahead with tests like this, right? So it could not be a mistake. Could not be a mistake. So obviously this young lady is telling a lie. And I would ensure that you to let go that gentleman. Because he has nothing to do with whatever she's saying.
All right. Doc, are you a doctor? Are you study medical? Me do other things, so me not go over what you say.
Okay, that's the result. So
So
you can...
thank you very much.
Okay.
All right. Have a nice day.
Okay, same to you.
I'm not laughing at
I understand. Well, I'm really sorry somebody don't say nice in the first place.
if you don't me and me and your brother and them are not nothing to you.
Yeah, Jita, but you have to understand say one mind and we are deal with. And based on the information I get, me could have just pick side.
No, but we deal with mine all over the years and you never hear that from me. We just should check out that man.
Just I'm sorry.
But you let me down. Right now, more and beard, them closer. Them you mean for me going there. I get them and change and put on. So I have to go all of them, I have to go and see.
Just I'm really sorry about everything.
Just forgot that. Forgot. Circle man. Look girl they are wicked. But them if you know now, I know some men are them type of man there. Yeah.
But just really sorry somebody even don't say in the first place.
No watch nothing man. You don't me and it done gone already. Alright baby, but everything, come on. Come on.
Miss Russell, to be honest with you, you know, I come down here, you know, come on, I know what go on with the case. I not hear nothing, nobody not say nothing to me, I not get no phone call, nothing. When the man I go court, nothing. Just come like say, boy, I just nothing I go on in the head. I don't know what is happening, cause you not call me. What happened?
Okay, sir. Mr. Vassal, I'm sorry to say, but we don't have any substantial evidence, so we have to let him go. He's no longer a suspect.
Oh, you mean Lego? What you mean Lego?
If we don't, listen, you don't have to shout, you don't have to get ignorant, just listen to me for a minute, please. We have him in the cell for a very long time. And we don't have any evidence, no witness.
Look here.
So we have to let him go.
Man, yo, the system I fail me. The system I fail bully for people. Me understand what it is now. How you mean? The man grape my daughter, you go tell me say the man there, him on their road.
I do understand the situation and how you're feeling, but I'm so sorry to say we have to let him go.
Yeah, well, you are a woman and you're supposed to even understand and know how it feel. Yeah, look here, man.
I'm so sorry.
Nah, man, look here, yo. Me not come down here for that news, you know. How that the man on their road? You should understand. You're a mother.
I do understand whatever feeling going on inside of you, but you have to understand what I'm saying to you too. We are still investigating about the situation. You understand? So as soon as we get some information about it, we are going to let you know. We will inform you. I am so sorry.
Look here, man. Look. What's your name again? Miss Russell. Listen to me. Me, a law-abiding citizen, you know. I just say here. Me not give myself problem, you know. Me not give myself problem. And me come here so to seek justice to my daughter. Justice me come here to seek. Hey, me tell you something. That is the reason why people take up the land of them own hand, you know. That is the reason why people take up things in them own hand. Imagine you come here so look here, man. You hear me?
Mr. Bustle, as I said, we have to abide by the law.
What if I hear your daughter?
I understand, but I can't do nothing about it right now. But we are still searching and seeking who is the person who raped your daughter.
Anyway, you know, all is good, you know. I said, I tell you, all is good. Zane, have a nice day. You hear me? All is good.
You have a nice day too, sir.
Normally I feel so nervous, brother. Alright, now I'm gonna cancel go link one of them big particular there. So no girl come down from the front line, you know.
You don't have no money to get no girl tonight.
Like now, the whole of pistol.
But you not drop no catch, man.
The whole of pistol come.
The man that look run from the game, you know.
Sis, you come quick, me get shot. Eh? Up at plaza.
Juta! 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 No, 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 Juta, Juta! 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 Juta!
Daddy, where you come from the time of night?
You did it. Oh, God. Shit.
Daddy, where you do it going?
Jesus Christ.
Daddy, tell me what happened. Where you come from the time of night here?
Where you do up? You never there sleep. Where you do up?
Me think you did asleep, Daddy.
Anyway. I promise your mother say, me never ever will make nobody hurt you. I mean have to keep that promise there. So,
Jesus, Daddy, what you do? What you do, Daddy?
look here, man. You see the problem? Solve it.
Which problem?
Juta. Juta can't harm you no more.
Daddy,
And he can't harm nobody.
He never really touched me with you, you know.
What you say, what?
He never really touched me with you.
What you said to me?
I just be calm. I did a talk to him and he did a short for me. I never like when he did a deal with me.
A joke you make? You serious with that? No, you serious? Tell me say a joke you make.
I feel you one night.
You know what you just make me go do?
Daddy, me never tell us that to do it.
No, but who tell you if you lie in the first place? You know what problem is now? You know what?
Me think
Jesus
you're
Christ.
only gonna make him get locked up.
A innocent man, you make me go do that. You know what problem? Yo. Jesus. No, sir. What gonna happen now? What gonna happen now? You make me take a life over foolishness?
Daddy.
No, Jesus Christ. No, no, no. I can't believe it. This not real. Like a dream or something. Jesus. Anyway, may I have to just continue myself. Wait. What you have to go do for me? What you have to go do for me? And promise me, you have to go do this. For your own good and for me. Because if me lock away, you in a problem, you know. So if a lie tell you have to go continue with that the lie, you know. You have to go continue with it. Because a problem you put me in, because of mischief or whatever you do. I don't know why you do something like that. It costs a life. Continue from what you said to me. If anybody said nothing to you, you understand? A problem you put me in, you know. So you have to go do that. You have to go fix it. And me have to go fix it. You understand me? Jesus Christ, you can't miss something like this. I never. You know wrong with you, man?
Daddy, I'm sorry. I never mean if he goes so far. As you say, I think you just don't make him get locked up alone. I'm sorry, Daddy.
You don't know what you're doing. You don't know what you do. You don't know. As me say, listen to me. Whatever I have to go deal with, I have to go deal with. But as me say, pretend. Like say, everything stay as it is. You understand what I mean?
Yes,
Everything have to stay a problem. Jesus Christ, no, sir. So,
Good evening, Mr. Vass.
good evening, Miss Russell, Detective Russell. So, I want to call me for down at good news?
Where were you last night at 10 o'clock?
What? Where was I last night?
Yes.
I was at my home.
Do you have anybody to verify that you were at home at 10 last night?
I have my daughter. What is about? Why you asking me when me there last night? Me there in my yard last night. Did my daughter there? You asked me to verify. What happened? Why you asking me this question now? Why you asking me now?
Okay. The person that your daughter accused of raping her, we found him dead.
What is it?
He died. He's a dead man. And
What? Lord, you answer prayer. You serious? Him dead? Yeah, man, that fam team. I better say somebody else's daughter and go try grape or something and get himself no problem happen.
Mr. Vassal,
Eh?
this is a serious matter and you're laughing.
Me not laughing.
You are a suspect.
Put yourself. What?
You are a suspect.
Why
And
do
I'm
you want to
serious. You are a suspect.
Call the way you want. Me
You
no tell
understand?
me do it. But at the end of the day, me glad if you tell me something go so. Me glad it happen. Because somebody probably take justice on them own hand. And me come here and seek justice and me not get none. So maybe somebody take it. And never me. And never me.
The dead man, when he was alive, he was accused wrongfully.
How?
And now we found him dead. You're a suspect, as I said before.
Me
You
say.
understand? And I don't know if he was involved in any other thing
Listen.
than this with you and your daughter.
Me and my daughter are victim here. And una pretend like say boy, how we do this and that after we come here and seek little justice and stuff. When is like gonna turn it
Hello,
round and
Mr.
make me.
Basil, you're shouting and you need to listen.
But if me angry, what me want me do? How you want me
Angry.
express myself?
This man is a dead man. Alive
Well,
is gone.
well,
You're still here and your daughter
well,
is still here and he
well,
was accused wrongfully and you're talking over my talk. You're not supposed to do that.
well.
You need to listen.
Alright. Me glad him dead. If you say you want to hear, me glad him dead.
Okay.
You go find film killer. You go find work and find
Listen.
film killer. And that you forgot do.
Listen, you need to put this in your thick brain. You're a suspect.
I can't see.
And we are going to continue to investigate until we solve this matter.
Alright.
You understand?
Alright. Do an
I am
investigation.
not saying you are guilty of killing him, and I'm not going to say you're not guilty. I don't know. You see, if I find out that you have anything to do with this, me personally going to let you stay in jail and rotten forever. Because you Jamaican, whenever you put yourself in trouble, you like to take up the law in your hand.
Because
and it's not supposed to go like that.
Me can ask you something? Eh?
Go ahead. I'm listening.
Am I free to go or you charge me? Which one?
Listen.
Am I free to go or you charge
You're
me?
not under arrest.
Alright, me not under arrest.
But
me can go then.
Listen, there's a but. You are what? Innocent until they find you guilty.
Well,
wait, hang on, Mr. Vassell. As soon as we find out what's going on with you and that dead man, then you will know where you're going to be. Whether you're going to under arrest or not.
Me not under arrest, so me
Whether you're going to under
Alright,
arrest or not.
it's so easy fool.
I am going to take it up personally in my hand and apprehend you.
Why you never behave so when time my daughter
No problem.
come to you?
I am going to caution you.
Under
I am
arrest,
going
I'm
to
gone.
arrest you. You're going to go in front
That's
of
why
the
I
judge.
don't like police, you know. No, sure.
No problem.
don't like
Continue
police.
to behave the way you are until we found you guilty.
Girl, what the emergency you call me?
Girl, I don't even know if it's this right now.
Your son worried. Why emergency? You know you can't talk to me. What going on?
So, you remember me did I tell her, say, my father hire one man to work. I farm for him.
Yeah, remember.
I remember me tell her, say, me like him, man. And they tell me, say, a big man or something. So, you know, say, my father kill him, man. But you can't tell nobody, do you know?
What you say?
Don't tell nobody.
No, what you say a while ago?
Don't tell nobody.
What you say? No, repeat what you say a while ago.
You say, father kill him, man.
For what?
Because we tell him lies, say, him create me. But me never know saying they don't kill him. Me think he just don't make him get locked up and come back.
What kind of problem you get yourself and your father, you know?
Girl, honestly, right now, I don't know, you know. They really stress me. God know. Feel guilty. Me never know saying would I take it so far, you know. Right now, it bother me, I swear. My conscience bother me. It's because when me tell him, he say, come on, we will gas station. Gas station, he get locked up. Me think he would have done right there, so. Me didn't know saying would I take it so far.
Jeez, me not even know what to tell her right now, you know? Me not even know what to tell her.
Please, don't tell nobody, because nobody know to know about this. Nobody at all can know about this. So please don't tell nobody.
Daddy, I want to talk to you. Give me a minute.
Alright, me I come in. Yo, give me 2 minutes, me short about it. Give me 2 minutes, here. Yeah, man. Alright, man, where you come from?
I need up, I'm go meet one of my friends. She said she want to talk to me. I tell her, what she tell me, I can't hold it. I not think I can't hold it. I need to tell you. I need to tell somebody. She called me and tell me, say, the man where her father did hire to help him with the boat them, the father killed the man because she go tell lie, say, the man grape her.
So hold on. So hold on. Your father get locked up? And which one of your friend that?
Roxy. And you know, like him father get locked up. Cause she will, the way she a talk to me, she a tell me so not to tell nobody. So like nobody don't know. And me can't keep something like this to myself.
Alright, here. No worry about it. I not to put it on your mind. You understand? Because if your father do something like that wrong, you understand? And honestly, it is a crime for we know about one crime and not report it. So no worry about it. No worry about it. You tell us if you don't tell nobody, you tell me we take it from you. So.
Yeah, alright.
Alright, yeah man. So go on over and go do it, I feel.
Yeah.
You're under arrest for the murder of Hector Smith. Put down the weapon out of your hand and you need to stand up now.
Hold on. Where this one now?
Here, turn around.
Where the,
Put down that hat, that dirty hat that you have. Put it down. Okay.
hold on, hold on.
Turn around to the car.
Look here, man.
Turn around to the vehicle.
One more you want?
Shut up.
What, I'm enough to talk?
You don't have anything to say until you go by the station. Hands behind you right now. No more talking from you. Go ahead.
Look here.
I don't need to hear anything from you, sir. Go ahead. Not until you reach by the station. Go on.
Look here, man.
I don't need to hear anything from you. Please go.
Yeah,
By the station you can talk.
no, I got to deal with my lawyer, you know. Because you know what kind of foolish is this.
Me did tell myself so I never did I go crying. But as soon as me reach out there, so the tears just come.
Yeah, lad.
You know?
First, no, I say right now. I swear. I'm sorry. I did. But I don't know. Me can't even look on you. I'm sorry.
But so like, why you make your emotions get the best of you? Like, you was the only father woman know. My brother, my grow me, I'm alone, me know. You take that away from me.
Why? I don't know, you know, to tell you what, understand, you know. Why? I don't even know if to tell you, because trust me, you see when your daughter come to you, probably not even know until you say somebody hurt them and you try your best to protect your child and then they come and tell you something like that. There's no other way, because she never lied to me like that before, and I swear. At least when I know about, genuinely she come to me, I swear say something happened. I swear. I mean, I lie to you. I'm sorry, make the emotions get the better of me. Alright, best of me.
Why you never just leave it in the law hands? Why? Why you have to take a life? But see, don't get me wrong, you know, at one point, me did a, like, genuinely, I wonder if my brother did something like that based on the information that I did I get. But I know deep inside my brother the innocent, and you take him away from me.
I swear to God, we can't. I don't know what to tell you. I don't know what happened. I don't know how what take me. I'm sorry, so I never wait and listen and make, you know, the law take it night own. Why I never know? I don't know.
You would do this what happened to your daughter.
Go ahead. I'm sorry. I don't know. Jesus Christ, I know I just can't believe all of this happen.
But see, you're somebody who I know enough of so.
See, you know, everybody life would sick of me. Cause of me. Listen to me. I beg you forgive me. I beg you. I beg you forgiveness. Apologize to your family. Me sit down in front of you and so forth. And why I don't know how I do it, I don't know why I do it. I don't know how it reaches a stage that I do that, but I'm willing. Anything consequence me will take because me guilty. I not contest nothing. You understand what I mean? I apologize to you and your family. Just please, I beg you forgive me. I don't know how it happened, but if you was like a parent and your daughter come to you with something like that, you know, you not think. You have something you call momentary insanity. I may premeditate because something I go home and I go deal. But I'm sorry. Forgive me. Just find in your heart, please. Please, I beg you, forgive me. Please.
But so I can't promise that I go forgive you right now. You can't bring back you saying that you're guilty, not gonna bring back Jutta. It not gonna help the situation. You taking accountability, I gonna do what? It might get some justice, but wait I do. Wait I do. I don't understand why your daughter would have even think for do something like that. That's some different level of cruelty, you know.
I know I can't believe it.
I come here for closure, I tell us I feel worse.
I'm sorry.
I don't get no form of closure because you still can't tell me why you attempt to make your emotion get the best of you. That even make it worse, like you take an innocent man's life. Can't promise you no forgiveness right now.
Well, I don't know what to tell you, sir. To be honest with you. I don't know what to tell you, sir. There's nothing I can tell you, nothing I can bring him back, nothing I can. I've never even think me in a situation like this. Sorry. So you wish again?
I police carry me down here.
Why? I want to know. Come like a dream, you know, cause it just come like something that pinch me and wake up, cause all this me can't believe it. All this happen. It just don't make sense. I can't believe it. Jesus.
Daddy, I know say me never. I'm sorry, you know, me never know say all of this down.
There's no sorry about this, man. You can't say sorry to no.
Sorry for truth. Me never know say all of this don't happen.
I don't know what, you know. Let me tell you. All of this, I blame myself. You know, just through one promise from your mother. I'm tell myself, say, boy, you know, I don't want nothing happen to you. I never know somebody getting at them predicament where, you know, I go take a man life because I believe in a way I say, and I know I just can't believe, say, really tell me that lie? Eh?
Daddy, me never know say we reach so far.
No, man, but when life they alright, you know. Some people that dream for your life, but me and you have, you know. We're not in need of nothing. You see what one lie can lead to? I believe in your cause all this happening, you know. What will happen to you now? Eh? What will happen to you now?
The police, I'm after they will send me a home thing.
Why all this unnecessary? I know me just still can't believe it. Jesus Christ. No, sir. Look, prison not even make for me. They can't even find no damn clothes to even fit me down here. Jano. I mean, somebody a grieve. Somebody a grieve because of what me do. Eh? Murder. You know what happened now? Big yard me go in there, me never know when me a come out or everything gone, everything crumble because of one lie. Eh? One lie. What do you think gonna happen to other people now? Eh? With other real grape victims. When them hear them story, them not gonna believe people, you know. It's like a story the boy will cry wolf. Nobody not gonna believe. Boy, I tell you, trust me. I know it come like me a dream, man, and somebody will pinch me for wake up. Look how we life alright. Jesus Christ. What we are gonna do now? Anyway, still, you know. I'm gonna tell you this, you know. I'm sorry for say, but I think this may be the last time you go see me down here because honestly, I think I can't even face you for this again.
Daddy, I'm saying I'm sorry.
Sorry, can't cut it, it gone bad already. The harm done in every way possible. And I can't go pretend like I'm not vex. I'm really vex. I blame myself, but to be honest with you, I never expect that from you. When I do terribly, you know, but I never expect it from you. I don't think I can look for you again. I just do what I do and whatever it is. I can't even do nothing in you. But it gone bad already.
Daddy, I just want to know, say, I love you and I really never mean for all of this.
Love you too, but to be honest with you, as I said before, that's it. You just do me at the SS still. And then just call the girl. Girl! Just go on with the girl. I swear. Can't manage this. Can't manage this. Can't manage this.
Alright, so you might be wondering where Stay West is located in Montego Bay. We're going to make it very easy for you. We're going to give you a little, direction on camera where you can find it. Alright? Stay West.
If you never know, now you know. We not only do movies, we do any form of photo and videography service at Richard Brown Films. And if you have family members that can't attend your event, we will live stream it for you. So if you're in need of a professional video or photographer, reach out to us, man. Our number is on the screen and you'll have a chance to meet some of your favorite actor and actresses at your event. So reach out to us, man, Richard Brown Films, and we can provide professional photo and videography service for you.
Richard Brown Films, Anyway, my people, this is a movie I want to watch. Richard always brings some content and some reality stuff. So, watch the movie. Zine, I beg you know. And plus, listen to me. A lot of you know I watch. And you know subscribe. Me always a company I beg you know to subscribe. Just look down at bottom, press subscribe. Me see the numbers I watch it but me not really see the subscription I go up as much. They are 220. By the end of the year, we want sure and guarantee so we reach 300,000. You understand? Just watch a movie, like and subscribe. Just press, that's all. I enjoy it every time a new movie come on, I get in a car. If you watch a movie, then you know so the man are going to some wicked piece of content. And watch a one because nah disappoint. Then? Alright.
That I feel good.
That was good, man.
Something I last thing I want to say.
They don't talk it.
Right. You can carry Ramsey. So people say, when you give yourself, what do you mean that's up?
Ready?
Start. I heard no action.
And action. Yeah.
But now that she come on to you, you upset. And she a come and see you.
Hold on.
Yeah.
So
I mean a big man, you look up. You're not even. No, 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 I wanna go down in there, no, you know what? Yo. Alright, ready.
you what? Go on, Angel, go on.
You know, says Steven Shakespeare and the Great West Indies song.
Put on some clothes. We'll go straight to my station. When if you do this to me that way, yeah. You know, without telling.
Oh, God, that's sweet.
And action.
Me they said it's
So what you mean like little boy and me are same age? Ready now, and action.
you see no like boy, me they said it's
Take time talk, you chat too fast.
oh.
Team Angel.
Me not tell you say me not like little boy.
So you're telling me that this little girl accused you wrongfully?
Don't fuck with this again.
Take out your shoes this time.
Alright.
Me not listen to you.
Yeah,
Me
me.
not listen to no.
Alright, come now, yeah.
Yeah.
Me not listen to no what I say. Cause you know a big man, I don't know no age.
And
Right, what is it, Candy? So ask him, say no candy. So tell me something, Mr. Juta, because when you sound like you body him up, you know.
yes.
Me know you sound nice to him. So tell me now, Mr. Juta, what reason would that nice little girl have to tell such
A lie on you.
a blatant lie on you? You say me no know. From the little girl see me and my sister, little girl see me and my sister and I go out.
Yeah, ready. Yeah,
See,
no part there, ready.
you might feel like that's one innocent little girl. Little girl that devil.
Yeah, ready.
Right now, and Candy, you. Action.
So, action. So tell me something now, Mr. Smith. What reason that nice little girl
Ball, you know.
Ready now, and action.
Wait. Alright, I'm ready.
There's a victim. You know this one situation. You know who is the victim? My daughter. You can't tell me about. My
That's what, no.
No man, aside that shirt there. That's why I cannot like the justice system. Man, that's why I don't like the justice system. Because my daughter and me, we are victims in this whole situation.
So I have to go through
Where's
like
the Gandhi? Where there, sir?
In Berlin, the way.
I just share this one. Ready? And any other name other than
What me name then, Jabby? What